Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete call recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have enabled auto call recording and if you have already done some of the call recording for some contacts or some contacts not saved in your phone, then if you would like to delete some recording previously recorded one, yes, you can do it. Go to the particular contact. Okay, I go to this contact and I have here the call record file. Okay, this is recorder file. Okay, if I play it, it will play. Okay, this is the recorder file. If you would like to delete call recording, just click on this delete button and that will be deleted. Okay, so in this way you can easily delete call recording from your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.